Good afternoon. My name is Shamim Bilha, and welcome to today's insights about the ancient Greek civilization. If you find this information helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, or comment in the comment section below. The pattern of the Greek civilization evolved in the centuries between 1100 and 650 BC. This was not the first true civilization of the Greeks because an earlier phase of development had produced the Minoan and Mycenaean civilizations. The collapse of the Mycenaean civilization brought a period of dark ages where the Aegean, the original land of the Greeks, faced socio-economic and political collapse. This was the Archaic period lasting from the 8th century BC to the Second Persian invasion of the Greece in 6th century BC. The Archaic period was succeeded by the Classical period, which began with a massive increase in the Greek population and a series of significant changes which rendered the Greek world at the 8th century as entirely unrecognizable as compared to its beginning. From the Classical period, Greece entered a golden age which can be compared to a resurrection of all Greece's entities. During this time, Greece developed in science, philosophy, architecture, mathematics, among others. Let's start with the geography of ancient Greece. Ancient Greece can be traced to the islands of the Aegean Sea, that is the Mediterranean Sea, and the west coast of Asia Minor, that is modern-day Turkey. The landscape is comprised of mountains and seas. Although fertile to farming, the land was scarce, thus making Greeks to depend less on agriculture. Agriculture only flourished for aristocrats who owned large pieces of land. Greek lands consisted of many small territories, each with their own dialect, cultural peculiarities, and identity. Cities were located in valleys between mountains on narrow coastal plains. However, from about 750 BC, Greeks began sending out colonies in the coastal islands of the Mediterranean and Black Sea. This included the coast of Spain, Cyprus, Ukraine, Russia, Egypt, Libya, Sicily, and southern Italy. The conquest of Alexander the Great took the civilization across the Middle East. Here, it mingled with other cultures to form a hybrid civilization called the Hellenistic civilization. Let's now talk about the ancient Greek society. Ancient Greeks thought themselves as one people. They had the same religion, language, as well as culture. Every 4 years, young men and women competed in the Olympic Games, an act that was meant to please their chief god Zeus. Politically, the Greek society was divided into city-states, that is the polis, each of which was fiercely independent from the other. Political unity was not an option unless imposed from the outside. This dependence first occurred when Philip II, King of Macedonia, conquered the city-states in mid-4th century BC. That is it for today's brief introduction about the history of the ancient Greek civilization. Remember to tune in to our next video about the organization of the Greek city-state. Please like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below. Bye.